If you recently picked up our Gingery Miso sauce and you're looking for recipe inspiration, look no further. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Hayden's Kitchen, and let's talk through the 5 recipes we'll be going over today. First up is our crispy air fryer tofu. Next, our 15-minute salmon and broccoli. Third, we have our pork dumplings with gingery miso sauce. Our sticky sesame miso drumsticks with celery slaw. And lastly, our gingery miso vegetable fried rice. Before we get into all of our delicious recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're always notified when we're dropping new videos. One of my favorite things to make in the air fryer is tofu. It's crispy, it's so easy, and it's so delicious. In order to get crispy tofu in our air fryer, we actually season it very lightly with just salt and a bit of oil. But what really makes this dish special is our dipping sauce. So we're mixing our gingery miso, subtly sweet, umami vibes with a chili crisp oil, adding a bit of spice. And that is truly what makes this dish so special. I enjoy this tofu over a bed of rice. It's perfect in a salad or any alternative to animal protein. Next up, we have another air fryer recipe, our 15-minute salmon and broccoli. So this dish is super minimal prep. You really just toss your broccoli, toss your salmon in our gingery miso sauce, throw it in the air fryer, set it and forget it, and you have dinner, your veggies, your fish, all on one plate in less than 15 minutes. Next up, we have our pork dumplings with gingery miso sauce. This recipe is so much fun because you actually assemble the dumplings yourself. It's perfect if you're having people over for dinner, a little bit of the date night. It's an activity that you can do with your friends. If you don't have time to assemble your own dumplings, we totally understand, so feel free to buy your favorite frozen dumplings and just make our dipping sauce to pair with them. Next up, we have our sticky sesame miso drumsticks with celery slaw. For this recipe, we mixed our gingery miso sauce with a little bit of honey and created a really beautiful glaze over our drumsticks. The secret to getting crispy chicken skin while still having a beautiful glaze is to actually roast your chicken by itself with just a little salt, a little oil, and then once it's fully cooked, you toss with your sauce. Last but not least is our gingery miso veggie fried rice. Personally, I'm a big believer in doing some very low-key meal prep in the beginning of the week, and rice is one of those items that I'm always making. So for fried rice, I literally have it probably 2 or 3 times a week. It's so easy. I use whatever veggies I have on hand. Of course, I have my gingery miso sauce, just throwing that in a non-stick pan, making sure my rice is warm, my veggies are cooked, and then just drowning it in sauce. Because my rice is already cooked and all I have to do is warm it up, this is literally a 5-minute meal. If any of these recipes sound delish to you, feel free to comment below and let us know what you plan to cook. Remember, you can find the links to these full recipes down below. If you haven't picked up our gingery miso sauce yet, feel free to check out our store locator to find your local grocery store, or you can order it online. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Make sure to comment below, subscribe to our channel so you always know when we're coming out with new videos, and I'll see you all later.